turn on the lights. Oops. What a light I have. Early one morning the sun was shining and I was laying in bed, wondering if she's changed at all, and I wondered if her hair was still red. Her folks said our lives together sure gonna be rough. They never liked Mama's homemade dress, and Papa Bank book wasn't big enough. And I was lying on the side of the road with the rain falling on my shoes, headed out for the East Coast. Lord knows I gotta pay them dues. Getting through, tangled up in blue. Well, she was married when we first met, soon to be divorced. Helped her out of a jam, I guess, and I used a little too much force. And we drove that car as far as we could and abandoned it out west. Split up and on a sad dark night, and both agreed it'd be the best. She turned around to look at me and I was walking away. Heard her say over my shoulder, we'll meet again someday on the avenue, tangled up in blue. I had a job in the great North Woods, working for a cook as a spell. Never liked it all that much, and one day the axe just fell. So I drifted down to New Orleans, where happy to be well employed, working for a while on a fisher boat docked outside Detroit. And all the while I was alone and the past was close behind. Seen a lot of women, she never escaped my mind, and those feelings grew, tangled up in blue. She was working in a topless place. I stopped in for a beer, kept a look on the side of her face in the spotlight so clear. And later on, as the crowd thinned out and I was about to do the same, she stood there in the back of my chair saying, "Now don't I know your name?" I muttered something neath my breath as she studied lines upon my face. I must admit I felt a little uneasy when she bent down to tie the laces of my shoe, tangled up in blue. Well, she laid a burner on the stove, offered me a pipe. Thought you never said hello, she said, you look like the silent type. Then she opened the book of poems and handed it to me, written from the Italian poet from the 13th century. And every one of those words came ringing off and pouring out like coal, pouring off on every page like it was written in for my soul, for me to use, tangled up in blue. Well, I lived with them on a Madigan Street, in the basement under the stairs. There was music in the cafes at night and revolution in the air. And he started a dealing with slaves, and something inside of him died. She sold up everything she owned and froze up inside. And when the bottom finally fell out and I became withdrawn, the only thing I knew how to do was just to keep on moving on like a bird who flew, tangled up in blue. So I'm going back again, I've got to get to her somehow. All those people that we used to know, they're illusions to me now. Some are math musicians, some are truck drivers' wives. I don't know how it all got started, I don't know what they're doing with their lives. But me, I'm still on the road and I'm headed for the next joint. We never seen it from the same, we just saw it from a different point of view.